All right, so here we have the Madison Street Railroad crossing here in Woodstock, Illinois. There's one special thing about this crossing I'll get to in a little bit. Here's the first signal. It has a safe terrain base right down in there. A Siemens gate mechanism. Here are the lights, which are two pairs of safe trans 12 by 24 inch lights with the Electrotech LEDs. And the gate lights on this signal are Rico LED gate lights. And here's the emergency information. Dot number 176985H. So that's that signal. Let's go for the second signal, which is right over here. The car's coming, so I'm good. Here's the second signal, which has kind of rare equipment on it. Which one special rare thing about this signal? Here's the base, which is safe tran, of course. Another Siemens gate mechanism, or no, this is a safe tran gate mechanism. Here are the lights with our safe tran 12 by 24 inch lights with the Electrotech LEDs. And the bell on this signal, which is pretty rare here in Woodstock, has an ASCE bell right on top of there. Pretty rare here in Woodstock. It's like the only one here in Woodstock. Pretty rare. And the gate lights are Rico LED gate lights, of course. So, yeah. And over here is the Calhoun Street crossing. Since it's right here, might as well just go right into it. Make sure it's clear to cross. Good. So here's the Calhoun Street crossing. Here's the first signal. Has a safe tran base. A Siemens gate mechanism. Here are the lights, which are safe tran 12 by 24 inch lights with the Electrotech LEDs. Emergency information. Dot number here, 176984B. And the gate lights are Rico LED gate lights, of course. And we'll get to the final signal right over here. Make sure it's safe to cross the tracks. And good. And here is the second signal on Calhoun Street. It's a safe tran base, a safe tran gate mechanism, emergency information, lights, safe tran 12 by 24 inch lights with the Electrotech LEDs. And then the bell here is a Western Colin Hayes electronic bell. And the gate lights are Rico LED gate lights. Relay case for Calhoun Street and Madison Street. They both share this relay case, and the milepost here is 51.04. So, and there's one more look at the ASCE bell at the Madison Street crossing. So, that is Madison Street and Calhoun Street right over there in Woodstock, Illinois. Over and out.